Canva has given its users the ability to style any photo just the way they want. As you can see in this image here, this is the original image that I transformed into this sketch and also into this. So you can do this with any image of your choice. You can do this with your own image. So I'm going to show you how you can style any photo into a sketch like this one. So let's get started. I've added another page. I'm going to get my image. I'll be using the same image I used earlier. So let's get that image from the elements. Is right here. Then I'll go back to apps. We'll be using an app to do this. It is called Photo Stylist. I already have it open, so there's no need, but you're just going to search for it in this app. Just click on apps and then search for it in the search bar. So here it is, Photo Stylist. That's the name of the app, Photo Stylist. So with my image right here, I'm going to use selected image. Just click on selected image and there you have it. So if you don't have an image selected, if you don't have an image right here, it will prompt you to upload an image or just add an image here, but you must have to have an image. Of course, you want to style a photo, so there should be an image. So the next thing we're going to do is to choose a style. So I'm going to click on sketch. That's the style we want to create. I'm going to try this, all these three styles so we can see the difference. So we'll use sketch and then click on generate image. And here we have our sketch. So I'm going to click on add to design. So we have it here. Let's just put it by the side. So we're going to select use selected image again, so we can create another style. We can select another style. So we're going to use, let's try this autumn. Select it and then click on generate image. And here we have it. So you can go ahead and try the other one, the abstract. You can go ahead and try it and see what you come up with. So this is how you can style your photo into Sketch or any other style in Canva. I hope you try this out and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Bye.